to show you how I go from this to this. Prepping my eyes with some concealer, some bronzer in my crease, using the angle brush and some dark brown eyeshadow to line my eyes. Now the inner corner, adding a bit more bronzer to my crease, taking it all the way to the inner corner and dragging it down to my nose. Taking the same eyeshadow and putting it on my lower lash line and simply just extend it out. Perfect it a little bit. It should look something like this. This brush and a bronzer to smudge it a bit. Now taking a nude gel pencil, I'm lining my waterline and extending it into that gap. Look something like this. Highlighting my eyes, inner corner and on the eyebrows. Finally finishing off with some mascara. Okay, now there you have it. I absolutely love this look. Let me know what you guys think.